High above the island stood Mount VV, calm and peaceful, until one day he hiccuped. Hic. Puff. Poof. The villagers gasped. He's got hiccups again, they shouted, as tiny glowing lava drops bounced off rooftops. Cassie the explorer grabbed her science kit. Don't worry, she called. I think I know what's happening. Cassie listened with her toy stethoscope. Sounds like a gas problem, she giggled. She grabbed a soda bottle and shook it. Fizz. When gas builds up under pressure, it pushes out just like lava. Fat Cat tried his own experiment and shook the bottle too hard. Poof! He turned into a foamy statue. Then Mount VV took one giant breath and huge hiccup. Lava sparkled high into the sky like fireworks. So next time a volcano hiccups, it's not rude, it's science. Bubble, burp, boom, science goes zoom.
Do you like this hiccup volcano? If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun from Cassie Wonderland.